Alright, so today we're going to go ahead and test out our new RC car. This cool Army one. So we're going to remove the pins and plug in the battery. Turn it on. It's going to move fast. So what's cool about this two-wheel drive RC car is it has this nice little flat surface right here. So we go ahead and mount our action camera. So let's go ahead and mount it up and see how it works. So now we have this nice flat surface. We're going to go ahead and hook up our GoPro or action camera. Push down. Nice and recording. Let's take off. Whoa! Street, watch out. Hey, stop, street.
Nice. Did you see that?
Yeah, it's not super close.
That's cool, huh?
Oh! This is time we're going to do the drop test. Ready? Whoa! Look at that. Does it work?
Yeah.
Look at that drop test.